Good day, children. Sairam. Welcome back. Today, in Active English, we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter number 15. Okay, children, I am going to show you a picture. And you are going to observe the picture and you are going to answer to my question. So, listen carefully till the end of the lesson. Okay, are you all ready? So let us start. Yes. What is this? Now look at this picture. What is this? Come on, tell me. Yes. It is a box. What is this? It is a box. What are the other things you can see in this picture other than the box? What are the other things you can see? Come on, tell me. Yes, you can see a pencil and an eraser. You can see a pencil and an eraser. Okay, so you can see a pencil and eraser. Okay. Now, where is the pencil? Now tell me, where is the pencil? Now look at the picture. Again, you are going to observe the picture. Where is the pencil? See, where is the pencil? Yes, in the box. So where is the pencil? In the box. You can see the pencil in the box. Okay. Now, what does in tells us? What does in tells us? You can see in here. So, where is the pencil? In the box. Now, what this word in tells us? It tells us the position of the pencil. Okay, it tells us the position of the pencil. Means where the pencil is. So, where is the pencil? The pencil, it is in the box. The pencil is in the box. So, it tells the where the pencil is. It is in the box. That tells us the position. So, in tells us the position of the pencil. Okay. So, children, in today's Active English chapter, we are going to learn some more position words. Okay. By looking at the pictures. Okay. Now, just see here. These are the other position words. In, on, under, behind, beside, in front of and near. So these are some position words. When to use these words, we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. So which are these words? In, on, under, behind, beside, in front of and near. Okay. Now, again you are going to observe the picture. I am going to show you more examples. Okay. Now, see here. Where is the eraser? Now, look at this picture. Again, same picture I am showing you. Now, you can see the picture. As you can see the eraser. So, where is the eraser? You can see the eraser here. Okay. Followed. So, where is the eraser? Can you tell me? Yes. The eraser is in the box. So, you are going to answer in full sentence. So, where is the eraser? The eraser is in the box. Now, tell me, which word tells us the position of the eraser? Where is the eraser? Which word tells us the position of the eraser? Can you tell me? Yes, the word in. In tells us the position of the eraser. So, where is the eraser? The eraser is in the box. Okay. So, in tells us where is the eraser. Okay. Tells the position of the eraser. Okay. Move to the next question. Now again you will see, observe the picture properly. Where is the book? Look at the picture. Where is the book? See the picture. Where is the book? See here. So this is the book. So where is the book? This is a table. And where is the book? Yes. The book is on the table. Where is the book? The book is on the table. See, the book is on the table. So this is the table and the book is on the table. So where is the book? The book is on the table. So which word tells us the position of the book? Can anyone tell me? Which word tell us the position of the book? Yes, the word on. So on is the position word. It tells us where is the book. So the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Okay? So where is the book? The book is on the table. Okay? Go to the next example. Okay. Now here, where is the ball? Here you can see the chair, table, then vase, and then you can see a ball also. So where is the ball? Can anyone tell me where is the ball? Yes, the ball is under the table. So where is the ball? The ball is under the table. So it is under the table. Okay. So where is the ball? The ball is under the table. So this is under. Okay. So this it tells us this is known as under. Okay. The ball is under the table. So where is the ball? The ball is under the table. So which word tells us the position of the ball? Yes, the word under. The word under tells us where is the ball. So the ball is under the table. Okay. So under is also a position word. Next. Where is the boy? Now you can see the boy. He is hiding somewhere. So where is the boy? Come on, tell me, where is the boy? Yes, the boy is behind the fence. See here children, this is the fence. Okay. Okay, this is the fence. So where is the boy standing? Here, he is here. So the boy is behind the fence. Okay, he is standing behind and is peeping from there. Okay, so the boy is behind the fence. So which word tells the position of the boy? Yes, the word behind. So behind is also the position word. So behind tells us where the boy is standing or where the boy is hiding. Understood? So where is the boy? The boy is behind the fence. Where is the boy? The boy is behind the fence. Okay. Next one. Where is the man standing? Okay. You can see cow, you can see a woman, you can see a man. Okay. So here, where is the man standing? You have to observe the picture properly. Okay. So where is the man standing? The man is standing beside the woman. So this one is a woman, and where is the man? The man is here. Okay. So where is the man standing? He is standing beside the woman. Okay. So this is known as beside. Okay. So where is the man standing? The man, he is standing beside the woman. So which word tells the position of the man? Which words tells the position of the man or where the man is standing? Yes, the word beside. So the word beside tells us where the man is standing or tells us the position of the man. Okay. So where is the man? The man is, where is the man standing? The man is standing beside the woman. Okay, so beside is the position word. Okay, next, where is the girl? Now see here, there is a house and one girl is standing. So where is she standing? So where is the girl? Can you tell me where is she standing? Or where is the girl? Yes, the girl is in front of the house. So where is the girl? The girl is in front of the house. Okay, you can see this girl. Where is she standing? She is standing in front of the house. So this is the house, and where is she standing? She is standing in front of the house. Okay, so where is the girl? The girl is in front of the house. So which word tells that where is the girl standing, or where is the girl? Yes, in front of. So in front of is also the position word. Okay, so in front of tells us where the girl is standing, or where the girl is. Okay, is it clear to you all? Now, where is the dustbin? Where is the dustbin? Now see here, you can see the dustbin. So where is the dustbin? Can you tell me? Yes, the dustbin is near the door. So you can see the door. This is the door. Okay, this is the door. And where is the dustbin? It is near the door. So the dustbin is near the door. Okay, so where is the dustbin? The dustbin is near the door. So which word tells us the position of the dustbin, or where the dustbin is? Which word? Yes, the word near. So near tells us where the dustbin is. So where is the dustbin? The dustbin is near the door. Where is the dustbin? The dustbin is near the door. Okay? Understood, children? So children, now you all know when to use these words in, on, under, behind, beside, in front of, and near. Okay, by observing the picture. Now we'll start with the Active English workbook activity. Now you are going to remove your Active English workbook and you are going to write the answers with teacher. First we'll discuss the answers and then you are going to write in your Active English workbook. Okay, so be ready with your Active English workbook and pencil. Okay, so let us start. Workbook activity. Now can you see in the box? Words are given in, on, under. Now these words, these are the position words. You are going to use these words in the blank space and complete the sentence. You will observe the picture properly and then write the answer. First example is solved for you. So the first one, the ball is in the box. So where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Okay. Now, see, can you see the ball? Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. So, which is the position word here? In. In is the position word. Okay. Next. See the second one. Second question. The ball is on dash. So, where is the ball? The ball is on what? I don't know. What is the picture? Can you see where is the ball? The ball is on the box. So where is the ball? The ball is on the box. First one, the ball is in the box. Second answer is the ball is on the box. Okay. So the next one. Yes, number 3. Dash, 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 under, dash, dash. Now you have to write the answer. Where is the ball? Question is, where is the ball? So the ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. So where is the ball? The ball is under the box. Children, you are going to write down these answers in your active English workbook. Okay? So, where is the ball? The ball is under the box. Number 4. Again, the bottle. And afterwards it is not given. So, you have to complete the blanks. So, where is the bottle? You can see the bottle here. So, see the bottle. You can see the bottle. So, where is the bottle? The bottle is in the box. Where is the bottle? The bottle is in the box. Third one, the ball is under the box. Fourth one is, the bottle is in the box. Understood? We'll move to the next question. Number 5. Here nothing is given. You are going to complete this full blanks. Now where is the bottle? We'll see. The bottle is on the box. Where is the bottle? The bottle is on the box. Isn't it? See the bottle. You can see the bottle. Where is the bottle? The bottle is on the box. It is not in the box. It is on the box. Okay. Next one. Number 6. The book. Where is the book? See the book. Where is the book? See the book is here. Can see the book here? Yes. 1 minute. Where is the book? See, book is here. Okay. So where is the book? The book is under the box. So where is the book? The book is under the box. Okay. Number 5. The bottle is on the box. The bottle is on the box. Number 6. The book is under the box. The book is under the box. Next question. Number 7. Okay. Where is the book? Where is the book? The book is in the box. The book is in the box. Where is the book? The book is in the box. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is on the box. The cat is on the box. Number 7 answer is, the book is in the box. Number 8 answer is, the cat is on the box. Okay. Next. Now children, here you are going to observe this picture properly, which is given on the left hand side, and you can see the helping words are given in the box. First I will read the helping words. Okay. Behind, beside, in front of, and near. Now these are the helping words, or which are the position words. Now you have to use these words in this blank space by observing the picture. Okay. Now you can see it is a classroom. Okay. In that classroom some children are sitting. Now we have to tell which position they are sitting, where they are sitting. Okay. Some questions are asked, fill in the blanks type, and you have to answer. You have to complete the blanks. Is it clear? First I will read the names of the children. The one who is sitting on the first bench is Mohan. What is his name? Mohan. Second is, who is the second one? Mira, then Zoya, and then Anu. Mira, Zoya, and Anu. And who is sitting at the back? Sam. Who is sitting at the back? Sam. Okay. So Mohan, Mira, Zoya. I will show you here. See here. So this one is who? Mohan. Who is he? Mohan. This one is Meera. This one is Zoya. Okay. And this one is Anu. And this one is Sam. So this boy is who? He is Mohan. This girl is Meera. This girl is Zoya. And this girl is Anu. And this boy is Sam. Okay. So these children are there in the class. Okay. Now just see here. The questions are asked. First one. Can you see the first one? Sam is behind Zoya. So this first one is done for you. First activity is done for you. Okay. First activity is done for you. Sam is behind Zoya. So where is Sam? You can see Sam here. Okay. You can see Sam here. So where is Sam sitting? He is behind Zoya. So this one is Zoya. So where is Sam? Sam is here. So he is behind Zoya. Okay. Sam is behind Zoya. Okay. Now see the next one. Anu is beside whom? Now first we will see where is Anu. Where is Anu? Anu is here. Now what is the question? Anu is beside whom? Yes, Anu is beside Zoya. So Anu is beside Zoya. Okay. So let us see whether our answer is right or not. Anu is beside Zoya. Okay. We'll go to the next question. Number 3. Mohan is in front of. Now see Mohan. Where is Mohan? Here. He is Mohan. So Mohan is in front of. Okay. Where is he sitting? In front of whom? Is he sitting in front of Meera, Zoya or Anu? Yes. He is sitting in front of Zoya. Right? So Mohan is sitting in front of Zoya. So let us check the answer. Mohan is in front of Zoya. Okay. Next. Number 4. Meera dash near dash window. So Meera. Can you see Meera? Yes. Meera. So where is Meera sitting? Meera is near the window. She is near the window. Okay. She is sitting near the window. So let us see the answer. Meera is near the window. Meera is near the window. Next one, number 5. Zoya dash Mohan. Now we have to write the position of Zoya. So where is Zoya? Zoya is behind Mohan. See here, Zoya. You can see Zoya. Okay. So Zoya is sitting behind Mohan. No, she is sitting behind Mohan. Right? This one is Mohan and Zoya is sitting behind him. Okay. So Zoya is behind Mohan. Now next one, number 6. Meera dash Zoya. Meera dash Zoya. Let us see. Meera is beside Zoya. Meera is beside Zoya. Can you see Meera? She is Meera. Okay. Now and this one is Zoya. So Meera is beside Zoya. Meera is beside Zoya. Okay. Next one. Zoya dash Sam. Zoya dash Sam. Now Zoya is in front of Sam. Zoya is, this one is Zoya and she is in front of, this one is Sam. So Zoya is in front of Sam. Zoya is in front of Sam. Okay. So in front of Sam, who is sitting? Zoya. Okay. So Zoya is in front of Sam. Again we are going to read. First one, Sam is behind Zoya. Second one, Anu is beside Zoya. Number 3, Mohan is in front of Zoya. And number 4, Meera is near the window. Number 5, Zoya is behind Mohan. Number 6, Mira is beside Zoya. And number 7, Zoya is in front of Sam. Understood? So children, this Active English workbook activity you are going to note down. You are going to write in your Active English workbook. Is it clear? Okay. Now I am going to give you homework. Okay. Now what is the homework? Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using the correct word from the bracket. So you can see the words are given in the bracket. These words you have to use for completing the blank. So you have to observe the picture properly first. Today what we have learned? Which word we had learned? In, on, under, behind, in front of and beside. So these words we had learned and where to use, how to use by looking at the picture we have learned. So you have to observe the picture properly and you have to use these words. Okay, so let us start. Now you can see the picture here. Can you see the picture? I have drawn the picture over here. Okay, there is a tree, then there is a bird, nest is there, then egg is there, one boy is there, one cat is there, and one ball is there. Okay, now here some questions are asked and you have to observe this picture and see the question, what is the question asked. Okay, and then according to that you have to complete the blanks. Now see here. First one, the bird is dash the nest. Now you have to observe the bird. Where is the bird? The bird is dash the nest. So you have to write the position of the bird. Okay. Second one, I am not going to tell the answer. Children, you have to write down this answer in your notebook. Okay. Second is, the cat is dash the tree. Number 3, the boy is standing dash the tree. Number 4, the ball is dash the tree. Okay. Number 5, the nest is dash the tree. And the last one, the egg is dash the nest. So children, you have to observe this picture properly and then you have to write the answers. Okay, those words which we have learned today. In, on, under, behind, beside, in front of and near. So these words you have to use here. By looking at the picture you have to answer you have to write the answer in the blank space. Okay, so this is your homework. You are going to write down in your notebook, home notebook. Okay, is it clear? So children, we have ended with our today's chapter. We will meet in the next period with the new chapters. Children, thank you very much. Okay, and have a nice day. Bye.